Hi everyone, Namaskar. Chefjomon here from the London. Let me thank you, my organization and Vegetarian Hotspot to giving me an opportunity to be on the part of the National Vegetarian Week and your live telecast. I'll be cooking aubergine steak with tomato and fenugreek sauce, and I will be garnishing with grated coconut crumble, and it's accompanied with the tomato fenugreek sauce. I'm ready with my all ingredients, and it's all lined up. Shall we start cooking? Here we go.
These are my ingredients: tomatoes, aubergines, cashew nuts, fenugreek leaves, and I have soaked cashew nut in hot water. Cut the tomatoes into four and take it in a pot. Add fenugreek leaves, cloves, a bay leaf, and a couple of pods of garlic, mild chili powder, obviously Kashmiri chili powder. Add 2 cups of water. Then boil it on a high flame, and basically you have to reduce the mixture and add soaked cashew nuts, and with the help of a stick blender make into a fine smooth paste, very velvety kind of thing. And reduce the fire. You can add double cream into it, add some butter and simmer it. Make sure it shouldn't splash on you. And here we go, some dried fenugreek leaves. Just rub it with your palm and put it in your sauce. That's give you more flavor. Add some honey to it, or you can even use some sugar. While your sauce is simmering, you can cut the aubergines into slices nearly 1 centimeter thick, and you can poke it with your knife tips. That's give you all the marinades go inside the flesh and cook even faster. In a plate, you can use oil, chili powder, salt, tamarind pulp, and mix nicely, and dip each and every aubergine slice individually into the marinades and keep aside. That's give you all the marinades can go nicely inside it. And in another plate, you can mix chickpea flour and rice flour into it. I can got marinated aubergine slices and keep it aside. The rice flour and chickpea flour give you a textures and give you a crispness while you're grilling. Aubergine, when you cook it goes very soft, so while you're having your coating on top, that's give you the crispness. That was the idea. And on a pan, you can grill nicely. Look at that color. It's very golden brown color. That's give you the crispness. Cook nicely both the sides, and you can even put your fingertips or spoon, back of your spoon, and press firmly into the aubergine flesh, and you will get to know whether it's been cooked or not. Place them on a white plate. Don't leave it on the pan. That's if you leave it on the pan, it goes very soggy. Now we'll move on to the garnishes. Take another pan, add coconut oil into it, add mustard seeds and curry leaves, and wait for everything splash, and add some dry red chilies and grated fresh coconut. Mix nicely. That's give you the flavor and the textures to the dish. Now you can stay back and do some platings. I will show 3 kinds of platings over here. This is called splash kind of plating, and pour the sauce on the plate and splash with the back of your spoons. Place carefully aubergines on the plate and some spring onions as a garnish. It's like a julienne sliced spring onion as a garnish. Here we go. This is the second style. And pour the sauce on the side and just pull it back with your knife and place the aubergines on the other side. Basically, it shouldn't touch the sauce, and pour some garnishes like a coconut crust on top. You can even place some spring onion on the sauce. That's give you more colors and vibrant look on your plate. And this is the other kind of plating. It's one of my favorite plating for this dish. On the side, so sauces on the side, on the corner, no splashing or anything. Place aubergine roundels or grilled ones on the sides. This is my favorite food plating. Hope everyone enjoyed the cooking and food plating techniques. Here I'm Chef Jom on behalf of the London and Vegetarian Hotspot. Thank you for watching.